Hello everyone! How are you today? It's good to see you again. This time, we will learn about soda. In the picture, you see glasses. Every glass has soda and ice in it. Now let's begin the lesson. We will study words to start.
Brand. You have a name. A brand is like a name for a product. Do you like sports? Some examples of sport brands are Nike, Adidas, and Reebok. Bubble. These are bubbles. They're round, like small balls. They are made from liquid and soap. Bubbles burst after a short time.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Bubble. Brand.
Now you will read a story. After you read it, you will take a quiz.
Do you know Coke, Pepsi, Fanta, and Dr. Pepper? They are brands of soda. Soda is a drink. It has small bubbles in it. Most soda has sweet ingredients. So you shouldn't drink a lot of soda. The picture shows different kinds of soda. Two of them are cola. We drink soda cold. So the soda in the picture has ice in it.
What is soda? Drink. Ice cream. What is true about soda? Coke is a brand of it. It is healthy.
Do you like soda? When do you drink it? What is your favorite soda? That's all for today. See you next class. Goodbye.